Hello everyone, I go by the name Nana Yaw Acheampong. I'm a Blue Cross student, currently in my third year, offering BSc IT Information Technology. And I come from a family of 5 passionate individuals that love helping people. Now, in my quest in helping people, I met a large problem in my society, or let me say in my country and also across Africa. According to International Finance Corporation, we got to know that 40% of Africa's SMEs are unable to reach out to so many customers, and also their market space is very, very low. So due to that, they are not able to expand their reach in the community. Now, this is where Semia Trade comes in. Semia Trade focuses on these 3 problems, and what we provide is a digital platform as well as a physical platform. Now, this digital platform is going to help these various SMEs to showcase their products online and also make sales from there. And also with this physical platform, we organize exhibitions, fairs for them to showcase their products to a larger audience or larger customers. In the learning that I took from the FRP session, the 12 weeks program, I was able to know the market space where I am going to get my large customers that are also interested in having a kind of platform like this. Within just a week, I was able to organize an exhibition for more than 20 SMEs in partner with other agencies. So we were able to also have a WhatsApp community whereby we had 50 members within just a week as well, with 5 active SMEs that were able to showcase their products to these 50 members and then driving the sales over there as well, doing deliveries and every other thing. So this is a web app that my team and we are developing. We are almost done, and here we have so many products from other SMEs. You can register and then multi-vendors showcase your products and then as well make sales from there.